Allah, who is most kind and merciful. Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Mavish and I am student of first year. Today I am going to tell you about Sir Allama Muhammad Iqbal. A glance of someone has elevated Iqbal. The people have been fascinated Iqbal. Oh star, tell to where has departed Iqbal. The region of wisdom has been departed Iqbal. But in the kingdom of love has been entrapped Iqbal. President and dear audience, 9th November every year reminds us a significant day and date when a child took birth in Sialkot who changed not only the government setup in India but infused a spirit among the Muslims of subcontinent. So, I say Iqbal had a unique, graceful and matchless beautiful style of poetry both in Urdu and Persian language. No doubt, he did not write poetry for the sake of poetry but to improve himself, all the India of particularly the Muslims of subcontinent. So Iqbal say, कोई इबादत की चाह में रोया तो कोई इबादत की राह में रोया, कोई इबादत की चाह में रोया तो कोई इबादत की राह में रोया। अजब है ये नमाज़े मोहब्बत का सिलसिला इकबाल, अजब है ये नमाज़े मोहब्बत का सिलसिला इकबाल, कोई कज़ा करके रोया तो कोई अदा करके रोया। Dear President, Iqbal tries his best to make man realize himself and his positive capabilities. The lust of power and greed for the world has separated the humanity apart. Be the language of brotherhood and narration of love. Iqbal gave the message of love and peace. Iqbal wanted as innocent as dove. There is all round the war terror in India and bloodshed. Let us make the world green but not red. तुझे उस कौम ने पाला है आगोशे मोहब्बत में, तुझे उस कौम ने पाला है आगोशे मोहब्बत में, कुचल डाला था जिसने पाँव में ताजे सरेदारा, कुचल डाला था जिसने पाँव में ताजे सरेदारा। Dear President, being a staunch Muslim, he wanted to see the advance spiritually and materially. He brought the Muslim of subcontinent to a single platform and infused a unity in them because he knew no man will make a great leader who wants to do it all himself or to get all the credit for doing it. Iqbal is not the lover of art just for the sake of poetry to him. The poet sorrows will outlive the monuments of stone and India all survive unless claimed by death. तस्कीन न हो जिस दिल में वो राज बदल डालो, तस्कीन न हो जिस दिल में वो राज बदल डालो, जो राज न रखता है वो हम राज बदल डालो। तुमने भी सुनी होगी बड़ी आम कहावत है, तुमने भी सुनी होगी बड़ी आम कहावत है, अंजाम का हो खतरा आगाज बदल डालो। दुश्मन के इरादों को है अगर जाहिर करना, दुश्मन के इरादों को है अगर जाहिर करना, तुम खेल वही खेलो पर अंदाज बदल डालो। ऐ दोस्त करो हिम्मत कुछ दूर सवेरा है, ऐ दोस्त करो हिम्मत कुछ दूर सवेरा है, गर चाहते हो मंजिल तो परवाज बदल डालो, गर चाहते हो मंजिल तो परवाज बदल डालो।